at Stanford, you will hear them tell you the numbers of attending acceptance students who have applied, how many of those were accepted. So you can just surmise what their acceptance rates are. And the same thing with Harvard also decided for the incoming 2029 class to not announce their acceptance rates. So this creates a little bit of confusion in students who are applying as to how should they proceed, what are the numbers, what is the acceptance, what are their chances. And as much as I don't really chance students when it comes to acceptance, we do strategize where should you be applying strategically early decision or early restrictive action. So for example, if you take a look at, again, going back to the stats or what we have observed in previous academic cycles, Stanford does have a higher acceptance rate for the early restrictive action applicants. However, if you really look at the profiles like I do of students who get accepted, you will see that these are mostly athletes. So this is one thing to keep in mind. Any sort of celebratory status or any kind of athletic prowess on the level of Olympic status. So think about it if you have anything like that. Not to discourage anyone to apply to Stanford, but again, since you can only pick one school, pick very carefully. Also, it is very well known that students who apply to MIT